What's up, everybody? It's your boy JR303 coming at you with the short. As you guys can see, my box is upside down. It's because my address and stuff. But we got some stuff from Spartan Armor Systems finally in. So I originally bought some Spartan Armor plates, man, about 6-7 years ago. And they were new at the time, swimmer cut. So when I bought my plate carriers, I couldn't really find a swimmer cut plate carrier, but Spartan has them, and I think they've had them for years now. But I was running with my other ones, and they're getting a little bit worn. So we will do a video on this, and you might only see partial of this because I'll probably throw it in as part of a bigger video. So let's do an unboxing. And they had these on sale, 25% off. So that's what we got. I got two. I still have a black one, so I'm not in swimmer's cut, so this is what I want, right? I couldn't really see much because in the picture they don't show much. Maybe I should have went with the padded version. You guys tell me what you guys feel. This comes with some padding here. They had a mesh one. I think there's companies you can actually buy that pad, but this is what we got. This swimmer's cut. So that's what we got. This is very reflective. I'm kind of curious how that, in the light I could see a reflection. I don't know if you can in the video, but it really does glow. So I don't know. I gotta look and see. I wonder how that would perform with night vision, if it would just stand out in the dark. Then we have the green, same thing but in green. Had these like for 103 bucks. So till next time, give us that thumbs up and subscribe.